Express home workouts, getting started.
You don't need a gym or expensive equipment to get fit. In just 12 minutes, you can do a simple, beginner-friendly workout at home. This routine will help you build strength, boost your energy, and form healthier habits, all with minimal space. Whether you're new to exercise or getting back on track, starting is easier than you think.
Warm up. Get your body moving.
Begin with a light warm-up for 2 minutes. March or jog in place. Do gentle arm circles and add a few reaching stretches overhead. Warming up increases blood flow to your muscles and helps prevent injury. It's a simple way to prepare your body for exercise, whether you're at home or anywhere else.
Full body circuit, 8 minutes of action.
Rotate through 4 simple moves: squats, push-ups, standing knee raises, and seated chair dips. Do each exercise for 30 seconds, then rest 30 seconds before the next. Repeat the circuit twice. This combination targets your legs, arms, chest, and core. Adjust intensity by working at your own pace or modifying the movements.
Cooldown, stretch and recover.
Finish with 2 minutes of gentle stretching. Focus on your legs, back, shoulders, and arms. Hold each stretch for about 15 seconds, breathing deeply and allowing your heart rate to slow. Cool downs help your muscles relax and support recovery, so you feel refreshed after your express workout.
Tips for staying motivated.
Consistency is key. Aim to do this express workout 3 or 4 times a week. You can track your progress by noting how the exercises feel each session. Celebrate your commitment and don't worry if you have to modify moves. Over time, you'll gain confidence, strength, and energy, all from home in just 12 minutes.